Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to open and live preview your HTML, CSS and JavaScript files with live preview. So if you go to extensions tab, just type here open browser preview. This is the extension here. It's used by almost 2 million developers and it's a very simple extension which actually adds a capability to open directly your HTML files, CSS files and JavaScript files directly in your default browser. So this is the thing. You simply need to click the install button to install this extension. So after you install it, simply go to your HTML file and right here if you right click you will see this option added preview inside your default browser. So whatever is your default browser, it can be Chrome, it can be Firefox. So if you do this, automatically your application will open. You will see that. Again, if you do this, it will add this option right here in the context menu, and automatically you will now be able to edit file. If I change the background color, just refresh. So as you can see, as I'm adding this content, it can be JavaScript as well. So it's a very basic extension, but it will save you a lot of time here because it adds this option right in the context menu, preview in default browser, or you can even put the shortcut key Control F1. This is a shortcut key on the keyboard, but it adds this option here, preview in default browser. So it basically opens it in a file protocol. So definitely install this extension. Also check out my website freemediatools.com which contains thousands of tools.